Those plants knocked over a fire hydrant. We have to stop them. Come on.
No way! Those plants just got bigger?
Kalia said they were built to be bigger and stronger than normal. Guess they're still growing.
But they're already ginormous! How much bigger can they get?
Okay, plants. You belong on a farm, not here in the city. So that's where we're taking you. Got it?
They got it! But I don't think they like it! They're throwing giant ears of corn at us!
We can't let them get away. That went nowhere near as well as I thought it would.
Floof!
Hello, my little friends. It's me, your favorite gardener, with bags of yummy plant food. Get ready, little planties. Big planties! Take whatever you want! Ah!